We've all seen these pictures in magazines, on the internet, everywhere of people going from a certain physique, either fat or really skinny, to a very muscular physique. Most of the time it's very hard to believe that a certain supplement or maybe training program can really make you do the exact same thing if you follow the exact program. Now before I get started, I just want to make it clear that the pictures I showed have nothing to do with this video. I want to make it perfectly clear that the physiques that were altered or were transformed in those pictures may have actually been the result of the programs advertised. The reason I'm saying this is because I simply don't want to get sued by those people. Now without further ado, I'm going to show you how I went from this physique to this physique in less than 5 hours. Now the first step in this video is to reverse the process. That's right, we're going to do the after picture first and the before picture after. So here we go. The first thing that we have to do is go to the gym. Make sure you do as many bicep curls, tricep pushdowns, and chest presses. Make sure you are as vascular as humanly possible. Next, jump into a tanning bed and get as tanned up as possible. You want that vascularity to show as much as possible. When you're all done with that tanning bed, go straight home and set up some really good lighting in your basement. Now to prove that this video really is legitimate, I'm showing you the date on a CNN website when I take the after picture. Here it is. Now grab a dumbbell one more time and really pump it up just so you have that extra vascularity before you take your after picture. Next step, grab a bottle of Pam. That's right, that good old cooking spray, and spray the hell out of yourself. Now you're all shiny, beautiful. Get ready for your after picture. There's the after picture. Not so horrible, but we can make that better with a little bit of Photoshop. Not a huge difference, but still a very noticeable difference. Now that the after picture is done, we're ready to do the before picture, the fun part. For the before picture, we want to put ourselves into a fat blob mindset. Take 2 hours off. You worked hard to do those after pictures. Just rest up and then make sure that vascularity is disappearing. Grab some canned beefaroni. Make sure it's really high in sodium. We're really trying to retain that water. Grab a bag of chips and down all of them. Get kettle cooked. They got extra oil and salt on them. Next step, grab yourself a bottle of pop. A 2-liter bottle or even more is preferable. A diet pop actually works better because it has more carbonation, therefore making your stomach even bigger. When you're done with your pop, grab some chocolate milk. This shit will bloat the hell out of you after that diet pop. Believe it or not, you're ready to go. Once again, I'm showing you guys the date on the CNN website, which actually shows less than 5-hour difference between the two shots. You can see I look fat as hell compared to the other picture. So without further ado, let's take a couple snapshots. There you have it, guys. Check out my before and after picture now, 5 hours apart. That's pretty crazy what you can do with your body and with a little bit of Photoshop. Just wanted to show you guys that anything is really possible in the world nowadays, and don't believe everything that you see with your eyes. Once again, the transformation pictures that I showed you guys earlier have no reflection really on this video, just showing you guys examples of really crazy transformations, and yeah, I don't want to get sued. Let me know if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and fave this video. Bye! You're dead!